A friend lent me his trailer before, and I realized how it's quite a struggle to get a car on, especially when by yourself. It makes it really, really hard. But then, my friend referred to look, check out this Futura trailer at PRI, and I was like, oh, so I don't need ramps, I can do everything by myself. I felt like that sounds great. And then the pricing wasn't even far off from like a normal trailer. So I got it, and it was so easy to use, and a lot of people were asking me back then because I was one of the first ones. No one had ever seen it, going up and down all by myself. Everybody was watching. I was like, I was so amazed how easy it was. Because I'm all by myself, I don't see ramps or anything. So if you just watch, and then you can see by the expression, some are pretty impressed. But as my car is getting lower, faster, and with bigger splitters, it just got a little hard. But with the new trailer, the car can go right up without any problem.